The Galaxy S26 Ultra is getting a lot of attention, and we now have 4 new updates about it. One of them is about Samsung changing a decision they made with the S25 Ultra. Let's go through each update step by step. First, the camera. There are 2 different rumors about the S26 Ultra's camera setup, and they completely disagree with each other. The first rumor says the phone will keep the same 4-camera layout as the S25 Ultra, but the 3x zoom lens will be upgraded to a 50MP sensor. The second rumor is more dramatic. It claims that Samsung will remove both the 3x and 5x zoom lenses and replace them with one large 200MP periscope lens. This lens would have 4x optical zoom and could handle both short and long-range zoom on its own. So, which rumor is true? The first one has already been debunked. Ice Universe, the well-known leaker who shared it, admitted it was just wishful thinking and not based on real information. The second rumor seems more believable. It comes from another leaker who says it's based on prototype models. Although this leaker's history is mixed, Digital Chat Station, a trusted source, also supports this 200MP periscope lens idea. That gives the rumor more weight. Next, the S Pen. Samsung is reportedly thinking about bringing back Bluetooth to the S Pen with the S26 Ultra. They removed it in the S25 Ultra, which upset loyal S Pen fans because it took away remote features. However, most average users didn't care, and the S25 Ultra still sold well. Because of that, it's unlikely Samsung will reverse their decision just for a small group of users. Now, battery life. A new leak says the S26 Ultra prototype has a 5,500 mAh battery, and it could get even bigger since it's still early in development. This is good news because many sources have said the battery will be larger this time. It might even go up to 6,000 mAh. With that, Samsung could finally improve charging speeds too. In 2025, 45W charging just isn't good enough anymore. Another cool feature is the return of variable aperture on the main camera. Samsung tried this before with the Galaxy S9 Plus, but it was limited. Now, it's supposed to work like a real camera, with smooth control over aperture levels. That means better control of background blur and lighting. Under the hood, the phone will use the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 Elite chip. Early benchmark tests show a 41% performance boost compared to the previous version. That's a big jump, even if benchmarks don't always reflect real-world use. There's also a delay. The S25 Edge was expected to launch on April 15th, but now it's been pushed to May 13th. Samsung hasn't said why, but insiders say it's because of leadership changes after the passing of DX division chief Jong-hee Han, not because of product issues. Finally, a small but nice touch. Samsung is fixing the outdated charging animation in One UI 7. The current one looked old and cheap, but now it's smoother and fits better with a premium phone. One more thing, Android 16 and One UI 8 will bring lots of new features. There's a full video with the top 10 changes if you want to check it out.